we push the center one to get the display up, and then you hold this to run a manual program.
Okay.
And it'll click to run manual.
For 15 minutes?
Yeah, that's the kind of standard. And then you can minus to get it down if you want to turn it off. And it'll count down 10 seconds to turn off. Or 10 whatevers those are. But then, so that's the time, and then to set anything, it's the center one, and then that's the time and the date and everything, and then the next center one is the start time, 9 a.m.
Okay.
And it's got the first start time, second start time is off, third and fourth start times are off. After that, it's the duration, so we're on 20 minutes.
Okay.
And we said we're gonna try an hour to really saturate things because it's heating up, so 1 hour.
So that's 1 hour once a day at 9 a.m.?
Well, so here's the days is the next center piece is every day, every day 9 a.m., 100%.
Okay.
Because if it's like hotter, you can do more than 100%. And then if you leave it on off, it'll shut the whole thing off. So don't leave it resting on that. Go back to the time. So because the display will turn off to save power. But
right. Okay. So it's just toggling through the center button gets you to the different functions.
Yeah, plus or minus, and then to go to the next thing. And then, this is the program if you wanted to set different programs. But for one station, you don't really need more programs. Right. But to activate the manual, it's on the time is the only menu that you can hold the button down. Now it's back at 0, but we can go back up to 15 if you want to. Oops, and it only goes to 15. But yeah, the center one's how you get through any of the menus. And you can let it rest on anything except for off.
Except for off.
Yeah.
Okay. And I'll replace the batteries one by one.
Yeah. And it has 2 bars now, so it should be fine.
Okay.
So yeah, that's it.
Great.